In today's video, we are going to be making our Chinese pasta and shredded chicken sauce. What you need for your pasta is green pepper, your carrots, your onion, so first thing you need to do while preparing your pasta is to boil hot water and add a little salt to it and add a little groundnut oil to it.
You stir it
Yes.
so that I will not.
So the reason why we are adding groundnut oil is to avoid stickiness when we are boiling our pasta. And after that, we are going to wash out the starch away from the pasta and make sure it doesn't stick to each other. And while we are doing that, we are going to put our frying pan on fire and add a little sesame oil to it. And next thing, we are going to add shredded onion, green pepper and carrot to our frying pan and mix properly. Next, you add your Maggi to it and you add your pasta to your carrots, your green pepper and your onion, and just keep stirring and stirring to make sure that everything mixes properly. So at this point, we are creating our pasta. You have to just keep stirring and stirring, and don't use spoon. As you can see on the video, we are using a wooden spoon to avoid stickiness. Next, we are still going to add some sesame oil to it to brighten up the pasta's color, just making it look really nice. So after coronating your pasta, make sure that your ingredients are okay and you achieve this greenish looking delicious color. You can see that color that I'm talking about. Just keep stirring till you get that color. Trust me, your pasta is going to be looking so nice, just like this one. And yes, our pasta is ready to serve. And the next thing, I'm going to be showing you how to make shredded chicken sauce together with the pasta. So for our chicken shredded sauce, first we are going to add our sesame oil into our frying pan a little, and next thing we are going to spice up our shredded chicken with some Maggi cubes, after we mix our shredded chicken and our Maggi together, we are just going to put it into our sesame oil and stir properly. Just continue stirring and stirring. So next, after sauteing and stirring, we are going to add some water to it. After adding our water to our shredded chicken, next thing first, we are going to be adding blended garlic and ginger, just a little paste of it, and stir properly. Make sure the ingredients mix very well together. and do not add excess water to your shredded chicken sauce. Allow it to boil for some time.
What?
And the next thing, we are going to be adding our corn flour.
No, it's okay.
Mix your corn flour with a little water and add it to your chicken sauce. Mix properly and allow it to boil together. After adding our corn flour to our sauce, we are going to be adding our green pepper, onion, and red pepper to it. Mix properly. And our sauce is almost ready. Just allow it to boil for some minutes. You add your dark sauce to it. After adding your dark sauce to it, you stir to change the color and giving it that perfect dark beautiful brown look. Allow it to boil for some minutes, and yes, our shredded chicken sauce is ready to eat with a sweet, delicious, and good looking yummy pasta. So before we take this down, we are just going to add our white pepper to it, and yes, it's ready to be served.